The wonderful thing about tickets is tickets are wonderful things. Their tops are made out of rubber, their bottoms are made out of springs. They're bouncy, trouncy, flouncy, pouncy, fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about tickets is I'm the only one.
Oh.
Can you be gentle with him at least? Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
And I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Just the two of us.
There he is. Hi. Oh, everybody's coming.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time, and who
I have been looking everywhere for Teddy, and I come out here and I'm pretty sure that he's passed out because there's empty cans of dog brew by Busch everywhere. Are these empty too? You're drunk, aren't you?
Know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar. Hi, baby, do you?
I don't mind all the crazy shit I did tonight. Those will be the best memories. I just want. Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time.
I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. God, I never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and people. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again.
Where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me.
Look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy dog. Look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my.
Safety first.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. Come here. Was that you? Hey, who was it? Hey, don't. Get your ass back inside.
thought he was gonna slip and start sliding down. That would have been a good TikTok.